This is what happens when you have to go to the bathroom in a kayak trip. You muddy ass freaking shoes are not touching this kayak.
I can't even walk in them.
I'll wash them out. Just when you get to the kayak, sit on the nose. Oh, you're done. Look at you. Ah! Had to go to the bathroom, huh? Think again.
Alright, I can't see with this fucking hat on.
Are you gonna take a spill too? You're gonna break your ankle. We're gonna call it a day. Faith paddling along. Doing a good job. It's actually a crane right over there doing its thing. Faith may crash us. She's trying to, but it's okay because this thing's made of putty. No, you won't attack. How cool is that?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, rock.
Oh, thanks, Faith. Yeah, Faith slammed us into that rock. I'm glad she's paying attention. Oh, we're gonna hit because I'm not doing my duty. Faith feverishly trying to get away from the Canadian geese before they pose their attack.
Hi.
Branch. This is really pretty. Marshland, Long Island. Swans with the baby in between them. A whole bunch of babies. There's a snapping turtle right there. I think it's huge. Look at that. Woo! That'd be good eating if I was hungry. And the reason why we saw this is because my crazy ass sister hit this pipe in the middle of the stream. She didn't even pick a side. What she decided to do was just watch the boat hit and not paddle. Groundhog. It's going into the woods.
You making this little big one? Is it a beaver?
Oh, it's not a beaver. It's not. It doesn't have a flat tail. Look at him.
Where's it going?
It's going across. We're making his home.
Oh.
He just dive underneath?
Yeah.
He's got his home in there. Beautiful. Northern Long Island. Smithtown, New York.